coming through with another video too. You done know. So you guys, I'm gonna be pretty much going over how the video is gonna be situated. So I'm gonna be giving you guys how the car or the Porsche looks now versus how it looked back then. Okay, please enjoy the video, like and subscribe to the channel. All right, you done know. All right, you guys, so this is going to be the video going over how the Porsche presently looks now. Car looks phenomenal. I am very happy of its current state of how it looks right now versus how it used to be when I first got it. As you guys know, I buy all my vehicles through auction and I get them as is. So this one caught my eye, and you know, just like all the cars I get, they're not perfect. This one had a fender bender accident happen on this side. I ended up having to get a whole back bumper for the Porsche, which was extremely hard to find, because with this truck you can't just buy an aftermarket bumper. Your only options are buying it from the dealership or buying it from another Porsche. Literally only those two options. They don't make these bumpers aftermarket, so everything has to be OEM, and that is where things start to get expensive, you know, with these trucks. But anyways, you know, by staying positive and just knowing things are gonna work out, I end up getting the bumper and I end up getting it paint matched. Oh man, that was the biggest thing that was, you know, with this truck and everything when I got it. It runs and drives very well, by the way, you know, but the biggest thing was the accident that it was in. I'm going to link the video to where I first got the Porsche so you can get a better understanding of the Porsche and everything. So, but y'all already know I like to pick up very unique cars. This one is no different. It has the chestnut interior, which is a must. It also came with the rear entertainment, because you can't go wrong with rear entertainment. Moonroof, panoramic. Oh, oof. I just love how the chestnut looks, yo. Looks really great. Porsche was onto something back in the mid 2000s. Really is a phenomenal piece of machinery. Yes, very phenomenal. By the way, these trucks do come with adjustable suspension, so you can adjust the ride height. Like I said, Porsche was really onto something when they made this truck. These things are so beautiful. I honestly think they're worth every single penny. Even the way how it just opens, it's just beautiful, you know? Look at all this room. The seats can go back. Just a beautiful looking car, you know? It's worth every penny in my book. There's nothing in my head that beats a Porsche. When you step into a Porsche, you already know what's good, you know? Quality out of this world. Oh, I have heated seats in the back. Oh, just peep that. So beautiful, yo. So beautiful. The leather too. Oh. Man, I love. You know what I love most? The headrest has the Porsche on both of them. So beautiful. So unique. So awesome. But anyways, you guys, this concludes the video and everything. I just wanted to give you guys a little update of where the Porsche is at right now. Please stay tuned, because I'm going to be uploading pictures of and videos of how the Porsche looked before this. So subscribe to the channel and just stay tuned. front. This is the before, y'all. This is the before. It's gonna be looking awesome. You see it?